Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a GoPro 10, Hero 10 Black. Let's get into it. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, I've got here a Hero 10 GoPro. Nice packaging. I'm not a big fan of unboxing videos, by the way, but here we go. Doing it anyway because maybe somebody else is interested in the product. So, like, I've watched a lot of unboxing videos, and well, I take it back. I guess they're pretty interesting to see how companies package products and the marketing that goes on behind it, the aesthetics of it all, the feel of it. This is a nice glossy, well, it's kind of like a matte, glossy feel. A lot of specs, and so here we go with the arrow. Fling that aside. Opens right up and pop it out. And there we go. We've got a nice package here. Nice, what do they call this? I don't know, ballistic nylon case that it comes in with the zipper. Very cool. Goes all the way around. One-way zipper. Some have two, I don't know what I'm talking about, but there is the product. Same as basically the other packaging that we've seen on other GoPros. You've got the charging cable here. Comes with a battery. Nice. Put that aside. Charging cable. Please excuse the shaky video. Got it perched rather strangely. It's a nice, we call this the adapter, and everything that's in the kit in the box is listed here. Got the unit, the battery, the screw knob, one of the mounts, different mounts, charging battery in the case itself. I'm showing that upside down, sorry. Apologies on that. And here we go. Mounting screw. Mount. This is a curved mount. You can put that on like a helmet or whatever you could stick it to. And there's nothing in here. This is good. Good material to be recycled here. Unit itself. Camera. The GoPro. It's like stuck on here, so anyway. That didn't come off very well. It's okay. And got like the little for the screen. And one here as well. Oh, and one here as well. Anywhere there's a screen, there's a little adhesive protector. There we go. And a little stretch pouch here, mesh, with some instructions, stickers, and a booklet in many different languages. There we go. And that's what's in the box for the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to putting this one to use. Popping the battery in there, like so. And it'll should turn right on. I'm sure it has some charge in there. So, goes, I just saw a blink. There we go. The 10, Hero 10 Black. It's got the blue writing. The last were white. English, yes, that is my language. Ta-da! I agree to the terms. All right, that's it for the unboxing. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video. GoPro 10. Doesn't say black anywhere. GoPro Hero 10. Guess it's a Hero Black. It doesn't say so on the box.